Right now I'm working on the 70 Superbird Tribute car. I'm getting ready to install the quarter glass. There's some difficulty, usually installing the quarter glass. Of course, whenever you drop the mechanism down into that channel, you got to be really careful not to scratch the paint. I try to put it in with the regulator and the actual pot metal frame for the quarter glass all in one assembly. It makes it a lot easier because a lot of the snap clips that you actually have to install are really tough to get your hands in that really confined area to install those clips. So the more I can build outside the car and still install inside the car without causing any damage, the easier it is for me. So once I get that main part of that assembly in there, then I go ahead and bolt up my regulator, and then I go ahead and set my slides and my rollers and everything in place, and then start making my adjustments. These are actually all original parts that were taken out of a 70 Dodge Corvette, which is really cool. So I was actually able to gut that car and reuse all those existing pieces, recondition them, restore them, and put them into this car. So it's all original equipment, and it was in beautiful condition. Now that I got all the quarter glass installed in the car and all the mechanisms and everything, I'm just about ready for Larry to come down and install the headliner in this car. We're to the point in the build on the 70 Superbird Tribute car where we're actually able to put the wing on. Really excited to actually see the wing on the car. Totally makes the car, besides the nose. And so I went and grabbed Ryan from the body shop. All right, man.
I'll feed it while you
balance her. He pre-fit the wing and everything when he was actually doing all the body work on the car. So he's got a particular way that he wants it installed, and we're gonna put it on and put it on right and see how it looks. Yeah, it's all new to me. I haven't done one of these yet, so.
Okay, I got it.
All right.
If you just got one snug, it'll hold. Now we can do that. Okay.
Okay, and you remember this thing goes curved down, or?
Yes.
Okay.
Goes this way.
All right. So.
Which is the glue.
Does it matter which side?
Your side.
You want sharp end or fat end?
See the swoop here?
Oh, gotcha. Yep. For those people that didn't think this wing was adjustable, it is adjustable. Some people think that the wing on the Superbird and the Daytonas were adjustable, and some say they weren't. I actually called Tony and asked him this question here a while back, and the wings are just like the NASCAR versions where they actually are adjustable. There's a big Allen bolt in there that you actually loosen and the wing will pivot. You could pivot this thing whatever way you want it, create more downforce. And once you pivot it to where you want, you can actually lock it down. So it'll pivot either way. It's got a pretty good full motion in it. It's got all the extra framework built into the actual trunk to support the actual wing. So the wing's not just sitting on the quarter panels, it's actually got a whole frame unit built in that's welded to the trunk extensions that stiffens that wing. So this thing was basically built for speed and built for downforce and built for strength. Now the only difference that Tony told me between the NASCAR versions and the actual production versions is a cable. So if something were to break apart, it would keep those pieces from flying all over the place. There was actually a cable holding all those pieces together.
You go ahead and run that one, just snug it because it's adjustable.